Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS margin top shorthand property. How can we control and detect the margin top in our element? So quickly, let's get back to our document and see how this works. Back to our document, as you can see, we're having this in our previous tutorial where we specify all the four angles using our margin property with one single value. But right now we are going to we want to control the top value, but when we decrease and increase this one, let's give it 500 pixels so you can see what I'm talking about. When we increase and decrease this one, it's not letting us know either we are controlling the top or we are controlling the bottom. It's just controlling all the four values at once. Now I'm going to give it another value again. Now let's give it 300 pixels. I will give it 300 pixels. Now let's reload our document. Now we are going to see the one that is having that value. Now if you notice very well, now definitely this 500 now is not controlling the top. Let me give it true value so you can be able to see that it's controlling the top now. Can you see? Now we are able to control the top value. I'm going to show you. Let's give it another value again. Let's give it like 200 pixels right here, and let's give it 100 pixels right here. So you can be able to know that, to believe that we are controlling our top value using these two pixels, this first value right here, because the first value is the one that represents the top. Can you see? Can you see? This 2 pixels is the value we specify at the top. Let's give it another value now. We give it 10 pixels. Let's reload. Can you see? It shifts. Let's give it 50 pixels. Can you see? It shifts. Let's give it 100 pixels. Can you see? That's how we got to know that this is our top margin property. So this one can control the top margin. So anytime you want to control the top margin, you can specify any value, a lot of value, like 4 values or 2 values or 3 values. But this first one is the one that is mainly controlling the top margin right here. That's what I want to show you guys, because this is how it works: top, right, bottom, and the left. That's how it works. And all these values we specify right here is top, right, bottom, and the left. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Peace.